So I was hearing a clonking noise and thought it was my tie rods, but the tie rods are good. Took it all apart. Turned out to be my intermediate shaft that was messed up. Had to take it apart from the inside. And after pulling it all out, I ordered the part from Toyota's expensive freaking price, $300 and something, $332 to be exact. This is the replacement, and this is the old one. So you can see this rubber seal busted. So this is making all that clonk noise. So now that this will be replaced, I don't have to worry about it anymore. So far it's taken me freaking almost an hour, hour and a half when I started, but hopefully I'll get that fixed. I don't have to worry about the clonk noise anymore.